How to reposition your side panel on Google Chrome browser. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen in here. After you've clicked on the three dots here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you're in Settings, on the left side, click on Appearance. After you have clicked on Appearance on the left side, here, scroll down and search for Side Panel. You'll find Side Panel Position. There, simply click on it. And if it's Show on Right, click on Show on Left. And if it's Show on Left, you can click on Show on Right. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to reposition your side panel on Google Chrome browser. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.